Sponsored by Hvac-r.
Valve attracted customers' interest in the Intersect Dubai 2019 and had a chance to introduce the company's products to hundreds of investors and business people. Air Conditioning and Refrigeration Manufacturers Association 14th-term chairman of the board Ozan Atasoy shared the association's new-term visions in a press conference which was held on February 15. The most valuable prize of the cooling industry has officially opened for application. The aim of the $3 million global cooling prize is to encourage contestants to reduce climate change impacts. Daikin Turkey, which invested 6 million Turkish liras to R&D activities in the heating sector so far, continues its attacks with 1 million Turkish liras. Bosch Dermatechnology opened its online showroom material management platform called Showroom Design to its business partners. Climate Control will hold the third edition of the Refrigerants Review Conference in Dubai on the 24th of March. Please feel free to visit us on turkishhvacnews.com and follow us on social media.
Sponsored by Hvac-r.